Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your regular journeys section in the journey plan application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the Your Regular Journeys section, click on the Home button to select a destination. So just enter your home or your workplace where you travel regularly from. And then just click on the tick button at the top of the page on the right, and then select the work destination or home destination, whichever you prefer, and then just click on the tick button again, and it is set, and this way your most frequently used destination is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.